किड्यान सपनों की उड़ान।
Hi friends, this is Pratha and I welcome you all to our channel Kidyaan, Sapno Ki Udaan. We are here to give wings to your imagination. So kids, are you ready to fly? Let's get started. Today's story is by a Spanish author, Mr. Pedro Pablo. The story is about a grumpy tree. There was once a grumpy tree. It was the biggest tree in the forest, and it did not need its shadow for anything. However, the tree would never share its shadow with any of the animals and wouldn't let them come anywhere near.
I am not letting anybody near my leaves. They will spoil my beautiful branches.
One year, the autumn and winter were terrible, and the tree, without its leaves, was going to die of cold.
Help! Help!
A little girl who went to live with her grandma that winter found the tree shivering. So she went and got a big scarf to warm the tree up. Other animals of the forest appeared and told the little girl,
"Why are you doing this? This tree is selfish, and hence no one is helping him."
Even so, the girl decided to put the scarf on the tree.
Thank you for saving my life. I'll never be grumpy again.
The next springtime, the tree had learned from the girl's generosity. And when she sat next to the trunk, the tree bent down to shade her from the sun.
Have some of my shade, little girl.
Other animals saw this and discussed this with each other. The little girl told them that from now on they will be able to shade themselves well, because the tree is ready to share his shade with everyone. It has learned that being kind and generous helps us at the time of need. Sharing and caring makes the world a much better place to live in. And everybody now realize that. So kids, I hope you all are enjoying our stories. If there is any particular story or genre you want us to cover, please send us your feedback. We would love to hear back from you all.